Hi, Auntie. So, you know what happened? A friend of mine, she has been working at this place for around 6 to 8 months now.
Hmm.
And now she is looking for a job change. Matlab, she has been having a good time, the pay is good, and everything has been going good. But now she is, looking for a job change for a better hike or something. I feel very conflicted about such things. Such things, come up very often. What is your take on that?
Are you sure she is happy there?
She claims to be.
Okay. So, see, I'll tell you a very interesting story पहले तो. ठीक है, अभी recently
Yeah.
एक company में there was this girl we hired for a client. Okay. And she was pretty good, but she had taken a break. Her last drawn salary was almost like 1,20,000.
Wow.
Okay, but then she took a break and she wanted to restart for whatsoever personal reasons. During the interview itself, I made it very clear to her that our budgets are not that much. Our budget was somewhere around 60-65. If she is comfortable with that, only then we do the interview and take it forward. She said, yeah, I'm fine. She took the interview, she got selected, she joined. But after a couple of months, after a month or so, she started falling ill. She had multiple regular sick leaves. Then one fine day, she just dropped a text to her supervisor that my fever is back again, so I'm going home until I get better. And then she just stops responding to messages and calls. But then she responded after some time and she gave back the company assets and stuff. But this situation left me questioning. Now, this is not a situation जो पहली बार मेरे साथ हुआ है या मैंने देखा है. बहुत कॉमन है, 2-3 महीने में, 6 महीने में लोग ऐसा करते हैं. इंटरव्यूज करती हूँ मैं हजारों लोगों को, तो there are a lot of such situations when I come across people जो 6-6 महीने में, 1-1 साल में जॉब स्विच करते हैं. Now every time such a situation occurs, I am also conflicted like you are. Why I am conflicted? Because when I work with companies, when I am interviewing such candidates, I would definitely not consider them with such frequent job switches. But when I look at it as a human being, as an individual, then I realize, people are just same everywhere. Now, as an entrepreneur, I would want to have a stable candidate with my company, in my team, who stays with me, learns with me, grows with me, and slowly grows. Okay? Because sustainable and steady growth, that doesn't happen just like that. It takes time, because you learn slowly. But when I also talk to such individuals separately, I get to understand their perspective. They might be dealing with their personal issues, they might be conflicted. Possible, point number one, possibility. Second, when they join the company, at that point of time, they are clueless. They have just one agenda in mind. This is the salary and this is the position, because they don't know what they are getting into. Once they get in, bubble ना फूट जाता है.
Correct.
क्योंकि ख्याली पुलाव पकाना शुरू कर चुके होते हैं, फिर वो ख्याली पुलाव जैसे अंदर आते हैं वो खत्म हो जाता है. अरे ये तो सोच के नहीं आए थे. इसीलिए वो प्रोबेशन पीरियड में वो 2-3 महीना 6 महीना ना एडजस्टिंग, वो प्रोबेशन इसीलिए कहा जाता है उसको. तो कुछ लोग तो कर लेते हैं उसको पार, वो ज़्यादातर लोग कर लेते हैं, बट कुछ लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. लेकिन people don't have that ability to come and confront and talk, and many a times उनको लगता है कि मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, ऐसा कोई genuine प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है, और इसका कोई जवाब ना कंपनी के पास है ना एम्प्लॉई के पास. ओके, सो तब वो लोग क्या करते हैं, they talk about, and that's, it's not that they wish wrong, they want to do wrong. They just don't know कि they then cover it up in the pretext of better growth, better opportunities, better salaries, because they actually themselves also don't know what they are seeking.
So the problem is कि बस मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
Most of the times. अब जब मजा नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि हम जो सोच के आए थे वो तो हो नहीं रहा है. अब मैं सेट हो गया, अगर मैं परसिवियरेंस के साथ आया हूँ, तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा सेट होने का, एडजस्ट होने का, टाइम दूंगा, लोगों से बॉन्ड करूंगा, and eventually it will take a few months and then I will get used to my place and I will start growing with the organization, blending with the organization. But उसी बीच में कोई एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आ जाती है ठीक है, अब वो मजा नहीं आ रहा वाला सिचुएशन एकदम से ऐसा लाइट हो जाता है. अब मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे पास सामने ऑप्शन भी है, ठीक है ना, वहां भी मजा नहीं आएगा, ट्राई कर लेते हैं, पैसे तो ज्यादा मिल जाएंगे. एंड दिस हैपेंस अ लॉट विद द यंगस्टर्स, इसीलिए बेचारे जेंजीज बदनाम हो जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको थोड़ा पेशेंस कम भी होता है, राइट, एंड क्लैरिटी थोड़ी कम होती है. But there are times when they get good mentors and they stick with the organization also. Many a times, you know, so people don't join companies, people join people, right? So company का culture कभी भी policies पे नहीं बनता है, लोगों से बनता है. Policies just help to make an informed decision, right? So it's all about people. और यहाँ पे कोई सही या कोई गलत नहीं है. जब मैं एज एन एम्प्लॉयर सोचती हूँ तब मुझे वो कैंडिडेट गलत नजर आता है, लेकिन जब मैं एज एन एम्प्लॉई सोचती हूँ मुझे लगता है हाँ यार जंप करना बनता है, मैं ठीक है. इफ आई एम नॉट एंजॉइंग द प्लेस, नॉट एंजॉइंग द पीपल, नॉट एंजॉइंग माई वर्क, आई विल लुक फॉर समथिंग बेटर. नाउ आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू ग्लोरीफाई और रोमांटिसाइज दिस जॉब स्विच. आई एम ट्राइंग टू से that every situation has a different perspective from different sides of the table. I am sure you all have faced something like this. So think about it and next time find a solution that suits your cultural values the best.